Another use case for the tool is for us to be able to leverage it into trade study results. Here's examples of parts that we had identified as made from plate, but we also have extrusion shapes out there that would be candidates to make these from. So when we run the tool, compare the machine plate cost and extrusion cost, we can see quite a bit of difference in what that final part cost would be. So this is pretty valuable too, because engineers, we always have a pretty good idea when you're machining out from plate and you're whittling down to something that's pretty small. If there's an extrusion out there, we always have a pretty good idea. We know that's going to save some money. We just can't quantify it again. We don't have enough information. We go to our sourcing people and say, can you get some quotes on this? And by the time some of those quotes come back, we may have missed an opportunity to really leverage that. So with aPriori and being able to do some of these trade studies early on, we expect to be able to take advantage of that.